First question, for the N-channel zero bias depletion MOSFET circuit of below figure, calculate VDS if IDSS is equal to 10 milliamps and VGS off is equal to minus 6 volt. And find VDS for IDS is equal to 10 milliamps and VGS off is equal to minus 6 volt. And find the answer from A, B, C, D. Second question, an N-channel enhancement MOSFET has the following parameters: ID on, that is equal to 4 milliamps, at VGS is equal to 10 volt, and VGS the threshold voltage that is equal to 5 volt. Calculate its drain current for VGS is equal to 8 volt. And find the drain current using all these parameters and find the answer. Third question, depletion MOSFET differs from the JFET in the sense that it has no channel, gate, PN junction or substrate. Find the correct answer. Fourth question, the operation of enhancement only N-channel MOSFET, value of gate voltage has to be high positive, high negative, low positive, 0, and find the correct answer. And fifth question, the main factor which differentiates the depletion MOSFET from an enhancement only MOSFET is the absence of insulated gate, electrons, channel or PN junction. Find the correct one. Sixth question, for the N-channel depletion MOSFET, VTN, that is the threshold voltage, that is equal to minus 2 volt, Kn is equal to 0.1 milliamp divided by V square, and find ID. And from the parameters, find ID value. Seventh question, at VGS is equal to minus 2 volt, ID is equal to 2.2 milliamps, and at VGS is equal to plus 2 volt, ID is equal to 11.8 milliamps. Find the forward transfer admittance of depletion MOSFET at VGS is equal to 0. And find the correct answer from A, B, C, D. Eighth question, in a MOSFET, the polarity of the inversion layer is same as that of charge on the gate electrode, minority carriers in the drain, majority carriers in the substrate, majority carriers in the source, and find the correct one. Ninth question, let VGS is equal to 6.9 volt, calculate ID with the MOSFET parameters. ID on is equal to 5 milliamps, at VGS off is equal to 4 volt, and find the correct answer from A, B, C, D. 10th question, for an enhancement mode N MOSFET, the threshold voltage is positive, negative, 0, none of this. For an enhancement mode N MOSFET, the threshold voltage is. 11th question, determine the source to drain voltage required to bias P-channel enhancement MOSFET in the saturation region. Consider Kp is equal to 0.2 milliamps divided by volt square. V threshold voltage in P-channel enhancement MOSFET, that is equal to minus 0.5 volt, and ID is equal to 0.5 milliamps, and VHG, that is source gate voltage, that is equal to 2.08 volt, and find VDS value here. 12th question, in N MOSFET, the region of operation transistor is. This is N MOSFET, and find the region of operation of this transistor with the VT is equal to 1 volt. Find the operation of this transistor. 13th question, due to the body effect in MOSFET, the threshold voltage decreases, not affected, increases, becomes 0, and find the correct one. 14th question, for an N-channel type MOSFET, if the source is connected at the higher potential than of the bulk, that is VSP greater than 0, the threshold voltage of VT of the MOSFET will remain unchanged, decrease, change polarity or increase. Find the correct answer. When this VSP greater than 0, the VT become increases, decreases, change polarity or remain unchanged. So find the correct answer. Next question, when the gate to source voltage of a MOSFET with VT of 400 millivolt working in saturation is 900 millivolt, ID is 1 milliamps, find the drain current for an applied VGS of 1400 millivolt is, and find the correct answer. And here VT is equal to 400 millivolt and working in saturation is 900 millivolt. ID is 1 milliamps. Find the drain current of an applied VGS of 1400 millivolts and find the correct answer here.